In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear emblem on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. You can try using some dental floss or some fishing line. Just get behind the emblem, just go back and forth. Just be careful. You're just trying to cut the glue or the double-sided tape. You can also take a heat gun and heat it up. Just be careful around the paint. And then using a prying tool, pry it out. Maybe use a couple prying tools. Just get underneath it. Gently pry it off. Just go slow. There we go. And slide the old one off. And you just want to peel this glue off or double-sided tape. Again, you can use the prying tools. Even a heat gun. Sometimes it peels right off. I'm just going to use a little adhesive remover on a rag. Just wipe it down. Just try to get any of that adhesive off. And let it soak for a little bit. Now it's all cleaned up and dried. Take the emblem and we'll just peel the backing off. Just like that. Line the two studs up and push it on. Just keep pressure for a little bit. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.